Now, disclaimer, this ain't easy. This ain't for the lighthearted, okay? This ain't, listen. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Nayecole. In this video, I'm going to share 3 ways how to make money in LA to support yourself while still chasing your dream. So if you're interested, let's get right into it. Alright, so my 5 things you need to know before you move into Los Angeles video is doing so well. Shout out to everybody that's liked, commented, wrote me. You guys were great and I appreciate it so much. A lot of you guys had questions about how I make money while living in LA chasing a dream. I do not have a regular 9-to-5 job, but I am still able to provide living, gas in my car, a car, and feed myself. Now, disclaimer, this ain't easy. This ain't for the lighthearted, okay? This ain't, listen, okay? It's gonna take a lot of heart and spirit, but you can totally do it. If you're already living out here, if you're planning to move out here and you don't want to necessarily go back into corporate or retail or anywhere where you gotta sit for 9 to 5. Another disclaimer, I ain't against the people that are out here doing that and chasing your dream. Shout out to you, but there is some of us, we just need alternative routes, and I'm just trying to help those people, okay? Number 1, server, waitress, waiter. First of all, there is 1,001 times a million in infinity serving jobs out here in LA, okay? People make some really good money serving. I, for one, am a server. I'm a cocktail server. I make enough to where I'm able to pay for my car note, I'm able to pay my rent, and I'm able to pay my phone bill in a month. Disclaimer, this ain't easy. Now, with all that saying, sometimes I don't got extra money. I don't be shopping and spending. That's not the life I live. Not yet. Not yet, okay? That's not the life I am. Right now, I'm just making enough to get me going. Damn, that sounds like a day to day. That sounds like a paycheck to paycheck. I mean, we just gonna call it what it is. Right now, as I pursue my dreams of being a host, doing my YouTube and everything else, I need that flexibility in my schedule. So I'll usually work nights, maybe 3 to 4 days out of the week at most. So that's the way I have control over my schedule. Now, like I said, you never know who's showing up at your restaurant, who gonna tip you, but if you know how to budget your money and save and put towards your responsibilities and your priorities, you'll do all right. You can find serving jobs anywhere. You can walk up into the restaurant with your resume. You can go online, Indeed, Monster, all those websites have serving jobs. Serving job is one way to make money in LA and still have a flexible schedule, bring home money every day because you're taking home tips. So hey, try it out. It might work for you, it might not. Number two, service jobs. Like the Uber, the Postmates, the buy somebody groceries, the walk somebody dog, the goddamn, there's a lot of them. You could clean somebody's house. Now, we could do a story time on that if y'all want to hear a story time about how I cleaned somebody's house that one time and I never did it again, but we're gonna save that for another video. There's so many different service jobs, so many different apps where you could just download them on your phone, boop, 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 sign up, do the background check or whatever, and be on the road or be at somebody's house dropping off their groceries. Now, with those jobs, I've heard stories. Let me speak for me, okay? I did Lyft. I stopped doing Lyft recently, but I do Lyft. And on the days that where I would be out on the road for 6+ hours a day, I'll make around 150 to 200, depending on my goal, depending on the bonuses. It's so many factors that lie in how much money you take home with doing those service jobs, and you're factoring in the gas costs and where you're driving back. It's so much. But anyway, it's quick money. You can make your own schedule. You can make your own schedule. Driving. Do I recommend Lyft and Uber? Hey, if you're about that life, me personally, I don't like to drive that much. I always, like, me and driving for Lyft was always like struggling because I would really do it if I really needed the money, like right then, right there. I have a bill to pay or I need to eat. Okay, we're gonna be real. I would just, you know, turn on the Lyft app and go out and make my goal amount, and then I would cut it off, come back home, or do what else I gotta do. I also did a cleaning job called Handy. I cleaned somebody's house one time, let me tell you. I know somebody who made money off of it, but she enjoyed doing it. She would just cut on her music and clean away. Me, not so much, okay? You don't know who has, well, you do know. That's another story for another time. There's Handy. There's also Postmates. There's Grubhub. There's also Instacart, where you can go literally go buy somebody groceries for them and deliver them at their house. I never done that, but I know people who use the service. They say they make good money off of that, but it all depends on what you want to do. You got to think about, do you want to get out the car? Do you want to stay in the car? Do you want people in your car? Do you know, it's so many things. Do you want to be in somebody's house? I'm gonna let you figure that out. Am I talking fast? Girl, you... But y'all understand me, right? Leave a comment below if you have any questions about anything that I mentioned. And I'm kind of talking fast because my battery about to die and I can't find my charger. So I hope y'all are keeping up. Okay, let's continue. And the last but not least, which I've done, I'm speaking on a personal level, is brand ambassador work. Now, when I first got here, I was brand ambassador. We could do another story time of how I got into brand ambassador work. I can break all three of these down for you in individual videos. Comment below if you want me to do an individual video on each of these topics. But brand ambassador work is a really good thing. You could work like 2 to 3 days to a couple weeks for a company and get paid a substantial amount, like probably making anywhere upwards of 18 to 25 or more an hour. So what they do is send you on activations, and you either are saying, hi, would you like to try a sample of some plantain chips? Well, here, plantain chips are made from da-da-da-da-da. Okay, here's a coupon. Totally, you can check out this store to go buy them. Like literally, some of those activations, that's what you're doing. They'll send you on trade shows, guerrilla marketing. There's so many different like little nicks and knacks of brand ambassador work. Where can you find them? That's what you're probably asking me right now. The way I got into brand ambassador work out here in Los Angeles, I went on Facebook and I typed in brand ambassadors of Greater Los Angeles. I'm giving y'all the tea because I had to dig for that, okay? So use that. Write this down. Write this down. Write this down. You go, you ask to get accepted or invited to the page, and then they accept you. They're gonna accept you. They should accept you. And then once you get on there, you'll see a lot of different companies, different people posting job ads on the daily. Hey, I need available for this activation in this city. We're paying this amount. Send your resume and some headshots to this email address. Now, I know you might be saying, oh my God, I don't have any resume experience for brand ambassador work. How will they? If you have retail experience, if you have some sort of experience that showcases that you're comfortable with speaking to people, that you have an upbeat personality, and you know how to convey a certain amount of information, you'll get hired. Now, when I first got on there, y'all, I was maybe 15 to 20 posts a day. Like, I would be sending out my email, sending out some headshots. You might be saying, oh my God, I don't have any headshots. Let me show y'all what my first headshot was. You see that black thing right behind me? That was my couch. That was my couch. That was my cousin's couch, okay? What I did was I flipped it and then I sat in front of it, in front of the window so I could get natural light, and then I did like this. I'm telling you, that's what that picture is right there. Wow. There, no lie. That's what I was sending out, and I got my first one, and then after the first one, you know, you add it to your resume and they just keep coming in. Now, brand ambassador work, you literally have to put yourself out there every day. Once you get a part of one company, other companies come, and sometimes they send you some work too. But the thing is, you never know. It's not consistent unless you're literally on it yourself. In order to keep that money coming in, you have to keep applying yourself. Another con about brand ambassador work: some of these activations, you do the work within that same weekend, and you might not get paid until 2 to 4 week pay period later. You also have to see how they're paying you. Where is my water? Hold on. Shit, I almost fell. Service jobs, brand ambassador, all ways that you can make money, all ways that I've made money to help me stay afloat while I'm on this out here grinding grind. If I can do it, I know you can do it. There's so many ways to get in, but you really have to do the work, and you just have to have that mindset. You have to build that mindset that, okay, well, I need this amount of time in my schedule to do what I want to go to that audition, to go to these castings, to go make these projects with my friends, to make shit happen. But you also have to know that you have to support yourself, okay? You living out here, it's no easy feat, y'all. Like, I thank God I don't look like what I've been through. Disclaimer, this ain't easy, cause I know y'all, okay? Look at me. You know, it's hard out here for you. Get on your grind. Do these 3 things. Try them out. Some might work for you. I've tried all 3 things. At one point or another, a combination of the 2 or the 3. You know, I still keep them in rotation because you know. If you have any questions, if I was talking too fast, rewind it, slow it down a bit. Feel free to leave them in the comments below. Hit me up on Instagram at nayecole or on Twitter at nayecole. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, like I said, subscribe at nayecole. Okay, but until next time, be loved. Most importantly, be liked. Peace and good luck to you.